Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Learn Igbo on Igbo Technono, and in today's Igbo's phrases, we're going to be Igbo language phrases that can help you with your Igbo vocabulary. See guys, I can't overemphasize this. The more you learn phrases, the more you become fluent. It's as simple as ABCD. In today's video, we're going to be learning few phrases in Igbo language that can help you as a beginner, as someone who wants to begin in speaking Igbo, as someone who wants to, nourish or refine your Igbo language so far. So now let's begin. Kanyi bido. Let's begin. Kanyi bido. Let's begin. Kanyi bido. Achorom esaru. I want to have my bath. I want to bathe. Achorom esaru. Achorom esaru. Achorom esaru. I want to bathe. Achorom esakwa. Achorom esakwa. I want to wash. Achorom esakwa. I want to wash. Achorom esakwa. I want to wash. Achorom irinni. Achorom irinni. I want to eat. Achorom irinni. I want to eat. Achorom irinni. I want to eat. Achorom irinni. Achorom igba egwu. Achorom igba egwu. I want to dance. I want to dance. Achorom igba egwu. Achorom ibe akwa. Achorom ibe akwa. I want to cry. I want to cry. Achorom ibe akwa. Watch my lips animate. If it's TikTok video now, you imitate it and follow and sing. Imitate this one. Achorom ibe akwa. I want to cry. Olisa na-agba egwu. Olisa na-agba egwu. Olisa is dancing. Olisa is dancing. Olisa na-agba egwu. I want to go to market. Achorom ịga ahịa. Achorom ịga ahịa. I want to go to market. Achorom ịga ahịa. Achorom isi nri. I want to cook. Achorom isi nri. I want to cook. Achorom isi nri. I want to cook. Achorom ịza ihe. I want to sweep. Achorom ịza ihe. I want to sweep. Achorom ịza ihe. I want to sweep. For example, you're eating and you're done, like you're filled up. You say, Erijugum. Erijugum. I am filled up, like I am satisfied. I don't want to eat anymore. Erijugum. Erijugum. You're not satisfied. You want to continue eating. Achorom irikwu ọzọ. Or you can say achorom irikwu. Achorom irikwu ọzọ. Or you can say achorom irikwu. Achorom irikwu ọzọ. Get me water. Bataram mmiri. Get me water. Bataram mmiri. Get me water. Bataram mmiri. Okay? Okay? Money. Ego. Money. Ego. Money. Ego. Give me money. Nyem ego. Give me money. Nyem ego. Give me money. Nyem ego. Give her money. Nye ya ego. Give her money. Nye ya ego. Give her money. Nye ya ego. Give them money. Nye ha ego as well. Give them money. Nye ha ego. Give them money. Nye ha ego. Keep this money for me. Dosaram ega. 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 I am coming. Anam abia. 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 Welcome. No. Welcome. No. Welcome. No. Open the door. Mepe uzo. Open the door. Mepe ụzọ. Open the door. Mepe ụzọ. Open the door. Mepe ụzọ. Close the door. Mechie 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 ụzọ. I want to go to toilet. Achọrọ m ịga toilet. Or you can say, I want to defecate or I want to shit. Anyone. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Achọrọ m ịnyụ nsị. Then when you're done, you say, anyụchago m. Anyụchago m. Anyụchago m. Hope you learned hope you learned a lot today. Don't forget to share this video. Sharing this video is free. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Share this video. Subscribe. Don't click and click out. I'll see you in my next video. To have a wonderful day. Bye.